But if y'all have water infiltration anywhere around your home, try and do your best to move that away. Now, when I was looking at this yard, you know, because your eyes will play tricks on you, and as I was looking at it before I filled that in, it almost looked like this right here was higher than that. And I was like, daggone, I'm gonna have to cut this hill down. But I went and got my transit out, started measuring with my transit, and then I realized I don't have a problem. The right tools are good if you don't own one of these, and most people will not own one of these. But if you don't, go to Home Depot, go to Lowe's. You can rent one for, I'm gonna throw a number out there, I would assume it probably $50 to $75, but it gives you all the information you need.
Yeah.
And it takes the guesswork out, and I think there's a huge deal in not guessing at what you're doing and guessing at what you're getting. When I bought that, and I've had that a few years, I think when I bought it, I paid $600 for it, so I would say they're $1,000 now probably.
Yeah. So if you're only going to use it, what, a couple times in your life?
Yeah, I mean, I use it. I use that about 4 times a year,
Right.
and that's all I use it. So would have it been better to go rent one? Probably right now I'm at a break-even point where it's paid its way.
Right.
But for me, the time it takes to go to Home Depot or Lowe's to rent something like that, I don't really care for that. I'd rather just own it. So I'm way more of a guy that I know I have the ability to use the stuff I buy, so I'd rather go out and buy it and have it.